Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily enable Apple Intelligence on all of your older devices, such as you can see, I have this iPhone SE 2020 model, which is currently running iOS 26.1. You can also see the build number here, all without a jailbreak. As you can see, if I press and hold home, WhatsApp, you can see it works without issues. Now we will get to the computer and we will see how we can set it up and apply it. Now to enable Apple Intelligence on your older devices, you can use Misaka26 and we are at its official GitHub page. Misaka26 is completely free and you can use it to customize or tweak your iOS devices without a jailbreak. The method and the information conveyed in this video is for educational and informational purposes with the only aim to customize or tweak your own devices. I also highly recommend that before using Misaka26, make sure you back up your device first so that if in any case anything goes wrong, you can always restore your data. Enabling Apple Intelligence works on all versions from iOS 26.1, including iOS 26.2 Beta 1 and lower for all of your devices. First of all, to use Misaka 26, you must install iTunes. You can install iTunes from the official Apple's website. I prefer not to install it from the Microsoft Store. Instead, get it from here and install it on your PC. If you check under releases, we have the latest release right here. If you scroll down, you can see that we are using Windows, so we will get this Windows edition zip file to our PC first. Version 1.6 is the latest at the time of making this video, but I have the version 1.5 which will work perfectly fine. So you can right click and then simply extract all and you will get this folder. Now at this point, simply connect your device via USB and then open Misaka 26. You can simply right click and then run it as administrator. You can see Misaka 26 right here and it is demanding a file, a MobileGestalt list file, which we will get from our device and then transfer it to the computer so that we can use it. Getting the MobileGestalt file is easy. Make sure that you have the Shortcuts app installed on your device. If not, you can easily open App Store, search for Shortcuts and install it onto your device. Next, you can go to Safari and open the same official GitHub page for Misaka 26. If you scroll down, you will see this shortcut. All right. Now to get it, you can simply tap on it, simply hit on it, then hit on Save MobileGestalt and you will land here. Now simply hit Add Shortcut. You will see this shortcut right here on your device. Simply tap on it, select Manual Method, Allow, hit on OK, then hit on Click here, then select the file blob, alright. Then select NS string. You will see this string right here. Now simply press and hold, then hit Select All, then simply hit this arrow, hit on Share. From there you can either hit Save to File to save this file as .txt. You can change the extension later in Windows when you transfer it to your computer, or you can simply hit on Copy here. Alright, go back, then hit on this check mark, go back again, hit on this check mark again. You will see this dialog, Always Allow, and now you can save this file from here to your Files app, or you can simply directly transfer it to your computer via email. You will select email, then simply email it to yourself. I will save to Files and then transfer it. All right, it's done. All right, once you get the property list or playlist file, you are good to go. Simply make sure your device is connected to your computer via USB. Then open Misaka 26 again, run it as administrator, and then from there select the playlist file. Select the file you just got to your computer, hit on open, and you will see the list of features which you can enable on your device according to your version. First of all, from here, enable Apple Intelligence. Alright, simply go down. You will see the product type. Please note the product type, your original product type. So mine is iPhone 12,8. Simply change it to 16,2. If you're using an iPad and you want to enable Apple Intelligence on it, change it to iPad 16,3 instead. Now from there you can also set the model name Alright, so I have renamed it. Before you hit apply, make sure you turn off Find My iPhone or Find My iPad. Once complete, you can enable it again without issues. Then simply hit on apply. You will see this error. Don't worry, hit on OK. Alright, your device will now reboot. As you can see, after applying all the changes, if I go to settings, then go to about, you can see it is now showing up as an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Alright, now if I go back, and inside settings, you can see we have Apple Intelligence and Siri right here. Again, it is the same iPhone SE 2, and you can see it is now enabled. For you, it can take some time to get all the assets. While it is getting all the assets, you can simply go back, go to general, then go to iPhone storage, go all the way down, hit on iOS, and you will find Apple Intelligence right here. So for me, it downloaded 4.85 GB. So you can simply keep an eye. If it doesn't work, if it is stuck, what you can do is you can simply open Apple Intelligence and Siri, simply disable it, restart your device and enable it again. Also, if in case it is still not working, what you can do is make sure you go to general, then go to language and region, set the language to English, United States or English, and the region to United States. Also, once Apple Intelligence has finished getting all the assets, you will get this notification in the settings app, ready for Apple Intelligence. Again, you can see WhatsApp. It works fine without issues. Also, you might have noticed that your Face ID or screen or battery will show an error. Don't worry, like if you go to general, about, simply hit here, you will see this error message for battery, for screen or Face ID. What you can do is you can simply head to your computer and you can easily fix it. Let's do it right now. Now to fix the unknown part issue or your Face ID not working, simply again go to Misaka26, select the list file you just got from your device to your computer, hit on open, and it will show all these features which you had enabled. Here, if you go down, you can see that the product type we changed is right here. So it is changed to an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now we will change it back to the original identifier. If you remember, my iPhone is an iPhone SE 2. So the identifier we noted earlier is iPhone 12,8. For the device model name, you can leave it as is or you can change it back. Alright, leave Apple Intelligence selected and then hit apply. If you see this error message, don't worry, hit OK. You'll see success and your device will reboot. Now after applying the fix, if I go to settings, general, about, parts and service history, you can see the battery needs service, but the unknown part error is no longer showing up, and rest assured your Face ID will also work. This is because it is listing my battery which needs service in parts and service history, so nothing to worry about. Also, if I go to settings, you can see we have Apple Intelligence and Siri. Please make sure you don't open this menu after applying the fix or Apple Intelligence will stop working on your device. But as you can see, if I go home, press and hold home, WhatsApp, you can see it works without issues. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.